Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Inside you'll find keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.